Hello everyone. Hope all of you are doing good. What is your preferred mode of speaking? Is it impromptu or on the spot speaking? Or is it pre-planned speaking? Let me illustrate with the help of some examples of scenarios. Scenario 1. Imagine your boss comes up to you and tells you to have a conversation with one of your potential clients. So what you are supposed to do, you have to convince your client to buy your product or your prospective client to buy your product. So you have to tell the prospective client why your product is better than your competitors. So what's happening here? You are not given much time to research on the topic. Immediately your boss puts you on the call and you have to convince your client. So your impromptu skills are put to test. You have to immediately brainstorm the points about your product in your mind and immediately articulate it. Okay, so this is impromptu speaking. Scenario number 2. Your boss comes up to you and tells you to come out with a business presentation which is due in 1 week. So you have 1 week to prepare for the presentation. So you have enough time to brainstorm the points, enough time to practice it, enough time to make a PPT. So this is nothing but prepared speaking. So as compared to impromptu speaking, this is much more easier because you have enough time to go about with the business. So impromptu speaking is very challenging because on the spot with the limited or with the knowledge that you have to quickly reorganize your thought, come out with ideas and articulate the content or articulate what you have to speak. But in a business setting, you need both impromptu speaking skills and pre-planned speaking skills. Especially if you are a customer service executive, your impromptu skills will be put to test every day. Every day your impromptu speaking skill is put to test. So tomorrow I will be coming out with 2 crucial tips on how to master impromptu speaking at your workplace. So tune in for my tomorrow's video as well. So today we have just completed the day 9 of Facebook 30-day life challenge, and thank you everyone for tuning in. So feel free to join my webinars and workshops. I'll be announcing the dates for the webinars and workshops shortly. Keep connecting with me on the social media platforms, and I can see some good comments coming in for my videos. I'm so glad and so happy to have these comments and very thoughtful comments. And I'm so happy to see that all of you are liking my videos and you are able to follow what I want to convey. You can directly connect with me, and I'm posting a link in this video where you can directly get in touch with me via WhatsApp. So until we see next time, that is tomorrow, it's me, Devi, your communication coach, signing off. Thank you so much everyone.